Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Subrata Sarker. I'm a mechanical engineer working in manufacturing industry more than 22 years. Today I'll discuss, one of the one of the best practice method in, manufacturing industry, especially in automotive industry, that is Kanban. Now, what is Kanban system? It is the name of a system only came from the Japanese words. Now, Kanban is a material flow control method. You know, if we talk about the manufacturing industry, say car manufacturing industry, say so how the different components get consumed and then replaced with another for the new production. So this is basically the concept is based on replenishment of the only those who is used actually. So this is a inventory control kind of things. Basically, in simple way to understand, Kanban is a method of better way to manage your inventory in manufacturing industry. Now, what is the objective of Kanban in any organization? Number one, capacity balance with the demand. When you have no demand in the market, still you are making a product, then product will be piled up and stored. So it will be huge unnecessary inventory, leading the organization to making a loss actually. So Kanban is a capacity to balance, capacity and balance demand can be made. And number two is the flow efficiency, balance with the resource efficiency. So you have some resource in terms of the man, material, machine, etc. And so your manufacturing flow. So that's balancing is needed with the help of the Kanban. Station, service, and team balance with each other. It's not that in one station people are making the component and next station they cannot balance these. So the components which are ready that are got stuck up in the second station. So totally disbalanced kind of things in manufacturing. So Kanban doesn't allow that. Kanban is a very balanced kind of things in the whole production cycle actually, including the supply chain, company supply chain, components sourcing from the vendor or suppliers. You can like example, if you say the Kanban, say in a Pizza Hut or in a burger shop actually, if you go there are there are 100 people are sitting for waiting for the foods and 100 pizzas are making. Now when 5 number is served already, so 5 number from the production, or the kitchen is reduced. So immediately 5 number from the store raw material is fed into the kitchen. So this way actually like Kanban concept works. And then technically in manufacturing line, Kanban is called pull system. And there is another system in manufacturing inventory control that is called pull system, push system. So push system has a lot of disadvantages, whereas Kanban has got a lot of advantages. In push system, if you have no forecast, still you are making. Kanban is not like that. You have some forecast or you have confirm order, you will make the product and sell. So there you will have a better inventory control, and lots of pull system or batch size is smaller than the push system actually, and quality issues highlight will be more if you have some defects in the product or something in pull system. Now there are rules in Kanban system, basic rules actually, like each container, and basically Kanban is the things like some parts are there and you have some container, you will get the parts and give into the required station. When this is consumed, then take the parts and give the required station. So it is not that every time this container size will be different. There is a standardization process actually. So number one is each container of the parts must have a Kanban card. So how much parts you are giving for which number of machine, etc. Then path is always pull type of thing. It's finished from here, it will be pulled from that side. It's not that it will push kind of things actually. And no parts may be obtained without a Kanban card. Managing the card is very important actually to trace the process. No extra production is permitted in Kanban system. When you are, if you order 5, you make the 5 only. not the 6 if you have the raw material even, you know. And last things is container size has to be standardized. Every size of the container, all the trolleys, etc. has to be the identical, and every time things needs to be filled. Actually, you can visualize how much you are taking. So this is the actually concept of the Kanban system. You can see here in this picture, like one part you are consumed in production, immediately another part coming from the store or some other places. So there is always a pooling system, actually, you can say here. And there is a pull signal system in Kanban, actually, like as I already said. So you take some parts from the store, give it to the workstation, they do the assembly of the parts, they immediately give a signal, a communication to the store that 5 number parts is consumed, and store is again give 5 number parts and put into the particular station. So this is signaling system actually works. Now after doing all these things in inventory system like Kanban, what are the benefits of organization get actually? Number one, it prevents carrying excessive inventory. Is very, very important actually. In many organizations, people are so badly managed actually. There are a lot of inventory. It may be responsible for supply chain department, maybe design department, maybe wrong marketing forecast. So finally, the company has created excessive inventory, and company is going towards the loss making. But if there is a Kanban system is working in the organization, things will not go in such bad directions. It prevents stock out and reduce the expenses, and they require less effort for fewer resources to be managed, and it improves the compliances, drives discipline in the organization actually. And say some other benefits. Number one, it eliminates the scheduling complexity. In push system actually there are a lot of complexity in the schedule. But the Kanban system works only on the pull system. So you have order, you will make it. So it's not that you have firm forecast, you will make it. So this is actually another advantage of the Kanban system. So it has reduced the lead time, the work in progress inventory, highlights the quality issue quickly. Because in push system, if there is a quality issue, it will not be highlighted because you have lots of parts, and if there is a 5 item is needed, 1 item is defective, you have a lot of other items. So you have to replace, and defects chapter or defect topic that will not be addressed actually because you have additional material. So Kanban doesn't work on that directions. And the Kanban system in the company where is in action or in place, it will have a better workplace and less lower unit cost of the production actually. So basically Kanban is in a single word, it is the best efficient, best way to manage your inventory, or the best concept for improving your inventory method in especially the manufacturing sector. Thank you very much for your attention.